Okay, let's do this. That's my mess. And this is my face wash that I use usually every morning. And if I want extra exfoliation, I'll grab one of these guys, and it works wonders. And that's my anti-aging face cream. So I'm using the NYX Hydro Touch. I do use the Professional because I have a lot of pores. I don't know anything about eyeshadows, so I'm going to skip that. We're going to go into Fenty Beauty with my Morphe Y6 brush. So today I'm going to use the NYX eyebrow tint. I always use Anastasia, but I ran out, so I'm going to use this guy and then just brush it out. And then I'll lock it in with the NYX eyebrow gel. I usually clean up my eyebrows with a concealer and an angled brush, and then I go in with my Morphe Beauty Blender and I just blend it all out. I don't know anything about contouring, but that's my beat up contour kit, and I just play with it. Next I go with the Morphe R7 brush and sweep my palette, and basically just try to match my face to my body. And I really enjoy this Morphe Beauty Blender because it has an angle to it. And then that is my Maybelline Rocket Mascara. And there I go again. For highlight, I use Glitterati from Morphe or the Killawatt Highlight Duo from Fenty. And I try to blend everything out. Here I go in with a Sephora lip liner, and I basically finish it off with some NYX gloss. This kiss is for you, babe. And finishing touch is the NYX Dewy Finish, and I'm all set.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on them now.